Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Epson L3250 and confirming steady AC power. Unstable power interrupts reset. Once on, make sure your PC has drivers, or you can use the printer control panel to view settings. You'll also need paper loaded and ink not fully empty, because the printer checks consumables during reset. Now, press and hold the stop/reset button and the power button together for a few seconds to enter service mode. This is the first actionable step you must perform. Once in service mode, use the specific button sequence, often power plus stop/reset combinations, to navigate the service menu. This gives you access to the initialize function. Select the initialize or clear settings option. This erases network and custom settings back to factory defaults. Make sure to confirm the selection when prompted, because there's no automatic undo. While the unit processes, do not power off. Let the printer complete internal checks until the status lights indicate the cycle finished. After the reset finishes, you must power cycle the printer. Turn it off, wait 10 seconds, then power on to let the new default settings initialize. Once rebooted, reconnect Wi-Fi and re-enter any network credentials, then run a nozzle check and head alignment to confirm print quality. If the printer appears stuck or the reset didn't apply, perform a full power drain. Unplug for 1 minute. Then repeat the service mode reset steps. This often clears residual errors and allows a successful factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.